Have you ever wondered which tool is better for your needs, Fedora or Bazzite? Today, we'll dive into a comparison of these two popular options. Both Fedora and Bazzite are designed to help users manage their projects efficiently. They offer unique features that cater to different types of users. Let's take a closer look at each tool. Fedora is an open source operating system. It's known for its stability and security. Many developers use it because it supports a wide range of software. Fedora is great for those who want a reliable platform for coding and development tasks. On the other hand, Bazzite is a project management tool. It focuses on helping teams collaborate effectively. With Bazzite, users can track tasks, share files, and communicate easily. It's perfect for groups that need to stay organized and connected. Now, let's talk about the main differences between them. Fedora is an operating system, while Bazzite is a project management tool. This means they serve completely different purposes. Fedora is more about providing a secure environment for development, while Bazzite is focused on team collaboration. When it comes to features, Fedora offers a range of software packages and customization options. Users can tweak their system to fit their needs. Bazzite, however, provides tools for task management, file sharing, and team communication, making it user friendly for collaboration. In terms of pricing, Fedora is free to use since it's open source. Bazzite, however, may have subscription plans or one time fees depending on the features you choose. So, who should choose what? If you're a developer needing a solid operating system, go for Fedora. But if you're part of a team looking to improve project management, Bazzite is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.